everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can fix your something went wrong problem on your Snapchat app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we will just dive into our video. So one thing that I would like to mention is how you're getting a problem. Yes, so if you're getting a problem while simply opening your app and it's not being open, showing you something went wrong issues, then that it could be is that your network connection. Make sure you have a good network connection. If your Wi-Fi is not working well, then switch to your mobile data and you can solve it that way. If it's still not the case, then you will simply go to your Play Store and again make sure if your app is updated or not, because if it's not updated, then that could be one of the reasons. So in my case, my app is updated and it shows the option called open. So you'll simply update your app, go back and try to open your Snapchat app. But if you're getting a problem while trying to log in to a particular account on your Snapchat, then that problem could be that you have either forgotten your username or email, or you are entering your wrong password and the password that you have forgotten and you're still entering the wrong one and you haven't reset your password yet. That could be one of the reasons if you are getting this something went wrong problem while logging into Snapchat. So if you are having that problem, then you can simply tap on this forgot your password option and reset your password and can again get back to your app. So these are the reasons why you're having those problems and the solutions for it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, if you have more concerns, do leave them in the comments below. And yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time.